Hello guys, this is Pawan from Ambitronics. So welcome to my channel. So as we have started Arduino tutorials for beginners, so this is fourth tutorial based on that Arduino series for beginners. So in this tutorial I will show you how we can fade an LED using one example code of its Arduino itself, and we will just add it some of the things on that code also, and we will see how that code actually is working. So okay, let's go to the file, and in examples if we'll go to the basics, and here if we'll see the fade example. So here in the fade example you can see it's written here, this example shows how to fade an LED on pin 9 using analog write function. Analog write functions uses for PWM, and PWM pins are identified through this symbol. It's written here. So in Arduino if you'll see, this symbol is written in some of the pins, so those pins are dedicated for PWM. So in PWM case you have to one formula is there, duty cycle you have to calculate to make any, means like for if I'll talk about LED, so to make LED dim or bright you have to send one pulse width modulation pulse to that pin, and duty cycle you have to define, and duty cycle is nothing but on time divided by on time plus off time. So whatever the on time would be there, total if you divide by total time, that will be the duty cycle of that pulse. Suppose 50% duty cycles if I want to say, so on that case LED will be 50% brighter, or means like in 50% intensity dimming stage. On that case, on time divided by on time plus off time, we will calculate duty cycle through that, so it will be 50%. Okay, so let's see the code how it is written. It is defined 9th pin as LED, and this is PWM pin, and one variable we have declared here in this example code, brightness, which is initially 0, and fade amount, which is initially 5. And as I told, we have always two methods in our Arduino code. One is setup part, which we need to initialize only once for whenever a device is reset or a device is switched on for the first time, then only this thing will execute. So setup part we have to write only those things which we need to execute only once. So we need to make LED as an output, so that's why pin mode functions and passing two arguments, LED and output. LED is nothing but 9th pin, and output we are making that pin as an output. Now in the loop part we are we are using analog write function, which is for PWM. So analog write LED, the pin number, and the brightness. Brightness is the amount of analog value which we need to pass. So how we are calculating brightness? In the next instruction we are calculating brightness equals to brightness plus fade amount. So fade amount initially 5 and brightness initially 0. So initially our LED will be means like 0%, then it will be 5%, then 10%. This way this loop will work, and whenever brightness is less than or equal to 0, or brightness is more than equal to greater than or equal to 255, so again fade amount equals to minus of fade amount. So it means now when after delay 30, now again loop will run, and this fade amount will be now minus fade amount, and brightness will decrease through this instruction. So it means first initially it will increase the brightness, and after reaching 255, which is the maximum, actually in this case 8-bit resolution is used, so if it is reaches maximum 255 amount, it will automatically decrease from that value, because using this if condition, it is written here fade amount equals to minus fade amount. So fade amount will be replaced with minus fade amount, and brightness will reduce up to 255. It will go to 250, then 245, then 240, then 235, then 230, like this way. Initially it goes from 0 to 255, and then it will go from 255 to 0 again. So this way this program will work. So we will upload this code in our Arduino, and let's see how this thing is working. Circuit is very easy. Only LEDs, I have only connected one LED with 9th pin without any resistance. No need to use resistance because LED can tolerate Arduino current in this case. So I'm uploading this sketch in my Arduino. So let me connect my Arduino to my system. So it's connected now, and let me go to the tools, and COM6 Arduino COM port is selected. Now if I just upload this code, okay, so code is uploaded. So okay, we will move to the device and we will see how things are working. Okay, so let's move to the code now. So here you can see in my board, first it is increasing and then it's decreasing the intensity and it's decreasing. So this way this code is working. I hope you like this tutorial. In the next video tutorial I will show you the same PWM thing with by pressing the button. I will increase the intensity of LED. So this way how through button press LED intensity is increasing, that thing I will show in the next video tutorial using same PWM. So till then, thank you guys, thank you very much.